Welcome to Appalachia TV 412. Let's go!
Do you see what I see?
See what I see.
Way up in the sky, little lamb. Do you see what I see?
See what I see.
A star, dancing in the night, with a tail as big as a kite. With a tail as big as a kite. Said the little lamb to the shepherd boy, do you hear what I hear? Ringing through the sky, shepherd boy. Do you hear what I hear?